Mike, these are a couple of other success stories that you've actually had some experience with, but you've dealt with quite a number of different industries over the time, haven't you?
Yeah. Primarily, we're just trying to see how far we can push it, really, and we just basically came to the notion that whatever we could do in the mobile space and the strategies that we had adopted there in our mobile marketing world, which was a previous life, we've brought into here. And that's, we're using the chatbots more as marketing tools rather than customer support tools. There's a dime a dozen customer support tools and you can knock yourself out on those. But from a marketing one, there's always, you want an outcome. And a lot of this stuff, we didn't know what we were doing at the time. And we just started implementing we just went back to the basics.
Yep.
And like, what do people want? How often do they want it? And do they want to stay with us? And that example of the travel strategy, and these, when we start thinking back into the early .com days, which we were all having fun time doing all of that, when everyone was talking about eyeballs, okay, and valuing businesses on eyeballs, not actually clicks or names for that matter. Here we've actually got, 30,000 people sitting in a database that have come through, like the content that we were using, but it means that now they can reach out and start looking at sponsoring content with, say, an airline, for instance. And, these guys will be able to turn around and go, hey, look, I've got 30,000 subscribers here who all want to go to Bali. Where's the value, I wonder? Now, it is taking marketing people a long time to figure this out.
Yep, definitely.
It will change, and those that don't embrace it will be left behind. And that particular one there, we really trained that Facebook really, really well on that one, which gave us, you look at the cost per clicks down below, and that's just outrageous.
Yeah.
And then on the job application, well, if you put out a job role, and people are uploading their CVs for, let's say, $1.20, that's what it's cost you. That's a pretty good outcome. So, I've actually just finished knocking another one up right now, and I'm going to do a real estate one, because real estate agencies are always out there looking for more salespeople or property managers because they're a dime a dozen. And by using Facebook rather than going through a recruitment company, now we don't want to put recruitment companies out of business, but they can actually utilize the same strategy. But if you're a small business and you're trying to find someone in the local area who's going to work in my store, let's run an ad pulling them into a recruitment funnel.
Definitely.
And your chatbot doesn't have to just have one funnel.
No.
You can build a funnel for every endpoint that you want to achieve, and that's how you build on it. And it's really, really sexy. Sorry to say, but it's like, wow, now I can sell stuff through another funnel, but I've got my audience here.
Yes. Yeah.
Once you've got an audience, bang, off you go.
And that's the thing, isn't it? Is that the majority of the businesses, they do have, everybody has an audience.
Yes.
It's whether they're using the right approach to communicate with that particular audience, isn't it? So that's fantastic.